I'm born ready.
Okay. Alright.
So, Aloy, your question is from Georgette Portus. In an alternate universe, let's say you're not part of Beanie, but rather a bloom. What kind of bloom will you be, and will you show your love and support to Beanie?
If I am in an alternate universe, I think I will be a kind of bloom that has a kind heart, and itatrato ko yung Beanie as humans. That's it.
That's very cool. Thank you so much. Thank you. Grabe ha. That was a heartwarming.
Galing, galing.
Thank you.